I puta mai te mātā mua ko tāne. I ahu mai ia tāne ngā tamariki o te ngahere, tai atu ki te ira tangata. Te takohanga o tātou I roto I te ao hurihuri, ko te manaakitanga me te kaitiakitanga o te tai ao ki Aotearoa. Tihei, Māori ora.
Across New Zealand, there are teams of people from many organisations involved in biosecurity, all working to prevent new pests and diseases from establishing. Their goal is to prevent the harmful impact these could have on our land-based primary industries and native ecosystems. The Plant Health and Environment Laboratory is here to do the science work that supports all of these people to do theirs. It is New Zealand's national plant health reference laboratory. We employ around 60 people in Auckland and Christchurch: entomologists, virologists, mycologists, and botanists, experts in their respective fields. Our teams run diagnostic tests to international standards, develop and refine new tests, and provide advice about pests, diseases, and unwanted plants to everyone involved in biosecurity. PHEL is also the home of New Zealand's foremost post-entry quarantine greenhouse. Being able to import new plant varieties is hugely important for our horticultural industries. This is one of the keys to New Zealand sustaining a $6 billion horticultural industry. Our post-entry quarantine facility helps that to happen. Newly imported varieties are grown in these greenhouses before being released as disease-free plants. This is a secure facility that we operate at a very high standard. It's designed to eliminate any risk of an organism escaping the greenhouse. Our botanists interact with regional councils to help them manage threats from unwanted plants. They also provide expertise for investigations into illegal border activities, as well as during biosecurity responses to invasive weeds. A biosecurity response is triggered when a new pest or disease is found. The lab has a central role in these situations. When myrtle rust was discovered, our mycology and bacteriology team were fully involved. The team managed notifications from the public and field survey teams and provided science advice to stakeholders. We looked at thousands of photos and received hundreds of samples for lab testing. Over 14 months, 1,200 plants from 30 plant species were confirmed as myrtle rust positive. Our teams back up the quarantine officers who check goods at the border. We rapidly and accurately identify samples they send us, determining the biosecurity significance and checking the regulatory status. MPI runs a number of surveillance programs searching for invasive ants, honeybee pests, fruit flies, and other pests. These programs provide our trading partners the assurance that our exports are free from these pests. Each year, the entomology team processes around 6,000 submissions that have come from surveillance traps from our national fruit fly trapping grid. If any pest species are detected, like this Queensland fruit fly, we move into response mode, and members of our team deploy a mobile laboratory next to the detection site, supporting our colleagues in biosecurity response. There are plant diseases across the world that would be a huge threat to land-based businesses and native ecosystems. The virologists who work for PHEL are experts who understand the threats and have the know-how and the technology to identify the diseases. The virology team provide testing for imported seed crops and fresh produce. Examples like watermelon and seeds from pumpkin, carrots, tomato and corn. An example of a high-impact disease we look out for is cucumber green mottle mosaic virus, which is having a major impact on the cucurbit industry of Australia. Another of those threats is to our seed export industry, which relies on verifying the seeds to be disease-free. We're always looking to improve the speed and effectiveness of our diagnostic work. To do that, we run research projects aimed at developing or improving specific techniques. Our role is central to protecting New Zealand's plant life, its horticultural industries and its native flora. To do that, it takes world-class diagnostic capabilities and expertise.